Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2014 Dodge Journey RT and I will show you how to program HOMELINK garage door opener, which should be on your sun visor. This video will apply to Dodge Journeys made from 2011 all the way up to 2020. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Now, first thing you will have to do, you will have to figure out if you have a rolling or non-rolling system. If you have older garage door, then most likely you have a non-rolling one. And if you have a newer garage doors, then most likely you have a rolling ones. And the only difference is pretty much if you have the rolling ones, you will have a train or learn button on top of the garage doors. Whichever system you have, first thing you have to do, you have to raise the memory, right? So you will be holding these two buttons for quite a while until this light in the middle starts flashing. Once it starts flashing, the system is ready to be programmed. Okay, that's it. Okay, so I don't have the garage door opener remote handy, so I will just use the key fob to simulate what has to be done. You will figure it out. So if you have a non-rolling garage door, first what you will do, you will not start the vehicle, you will press this start button twice, so get into the run position, right? And then you will get your remote close to these garage door opener buttons. You will press and hold the unlock button and one of the buttons where you want to have it programmed. You will hold it for maybe 20-30 seconds and you will see this light blinking. Once it starts blinking really fast and the garage door opens, that should do it. And then you can test if everything works, but it should. It's really easy to do it. In case you have a rolling garage door opener, you will also press this button twice to get into the run position. Do not start the vehicle, and then you will proceed outside of the vehicle and you will press the train or learn mode on your garage door, and then you have 30 seconds to come back into the vehicle. And then once you select the button you wish to use, you will press it and hold for a couple of seconds, release, and press it and hold for a couple of seconds again and release again, and that will do it. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.